Hire Apprentice of the Year, Devon Sumner. Devon Sumner realised her true vocation was to become an aeronautical engineer, a dream she's close to achieving with Airbus UK. Working as a hire apprentice with Airbus, Coleg Cambria and Glyndŵr University, the 23-year-old has a string of qualifications that includes a distinction in her foundation degree in aeronautical engineering and an NVQ Level 4 in engineering leadership. This year she's on target to achieve a first-class bachelor's degree with honours in aeronautical engineering. On a practical level, Devon is working in a team looking to save £275,000 annually on the Airbus Super Jumbo. Luke Godrich. Luke Godrich has had to balance a number of challenges in his personal life with the demands of an intensive 2-year hire apprenticeship programme. The 30-year-old has been with the DVLA in Swansea for 9 years and has used his knowledge gained at college to implement new ideas. In 2012, Luke was selected for the company's talent scheme, and this has involved 9 modules at Swansea's Gower College, leading to an NVQ Level 5 and a CMI Level 5 extended diploma. Luke is working towards his CIPD, a qualification for human resource management professionals. Daniela Hughes. High-flying 6th form student Daniela Hughes turned her back on a university degree course and instead pursued a career with Airbus UK through a hire apprenticeship in supply chain logistics. 6 years on, Daniela has a string of qualifications to her name, and in August she passed her final module of Chartered Institute of Purchasing and Supply Level 5. Hands-on training at Broughton has been complemented by college work at the Management Centre at Coleg Cambria. Daniela has used her initiative to show how a new mapping process could improve efficiency, and this system has now been implemented.